Let's look into some health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are 5 health benefits of broccoli. 1. Rich in nutrients. Broccoli is a rich source of vitamins C and K, folate, and fiber. It also contains smaller amounts of other nutrients, including iron, potassium, and calcium. 2. May help reduce cancer risk. Broccoli contains compounds called glucosinolates, which are thought to have cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that diets high in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. 3. Promotes digestive health. Broccoli is high in fiber, which promotes digestive health by keeping the digestive system regular and preventing constipation. It also contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in the gut. 4. Supports bone health. Broccoli is a good source of calcium, which is important for building and maintaining strong bones. It also contains vitamin K, which is necessary for bone health and helps improve calcium absorption. 5. May help improve heart health. Broccoli is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a heart-healthy food. It also contains antioxidants that help protect the heart from damage and may help lower cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that diets high in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful.